Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, please subscribe. Today I am going to share my crystal making knowledge with you. It's been 3 years since I am learning to grow crystals on my own, and in my first video I will show you the basic growing of crystals on a pipe cleaner. The items needed to make crystals or a container should be matte plastic or glass, a sieve to filter, a spoon, a wooden stick, some pipe cleaners, a thread and some alum or borax. First, start by making a shape with your pipe cleaner. I am making a basic circle shape. Now attach a thread with the shape and tie it to a wooden stick like this. Check the depth of the thread, it should be able to stay inside the solution. Now start to boil your water and add about half a cup of alum in 1 glass of hot water, and mix it properly till it fully dissolves. Add more spoonfuls of alum in hot water while stirring, and see till the alum stops dissolving anymore. Now filter the solution in the container and add the pipe cleaner. Check that the pipe cleaner is fully inside the solution. See you in the next 8 hours. The next day, slowly take out the pipe cleaner and wow! How beautiful and sparkly this is! To grow bigger crystals, you can filter the alum solution, warm it up, add more alum till it stops dissolving, and pour inside the container, filtering it again. Wait the next day. The next day, I made a mistake by adding very hot water in the container, and as you can see, I've lost some crystals from the top on the pipe cleaner. If you want bigger crystals, do not pour hot solution again, wait till the solution becomes warm. However, look at the inside of the container. It's so sparkly and beautiful. This was the basic crystal making technique. For more, please subscribe to my channel, comment and like my videos. Now I am going to let this dry for another day. I will be making an inlay of this beautiful crystal stuck at the bottom of my container, and use it in resin coaster. For that, stay tuned to my channel. Thank you for watching.